Greetings, I'm Patrick Quillin, and you and I are getting healthier together. I'd like to share with you today some ideas about how to prevent your risks for cancer. 1.5 million Americans will be newly diagnosed with cancer this year, and it's a dreaded disease. At this point, 42% of Americans born today will expect to have cancer in their lifetime. Unacceptable. What we look at is there's over 300 studies now showing that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can lower the risk for cancer. One of them is the cruciferous family. When Spanish explorers first looked at these plants, they saw on the budding flower what looked like a cross, hence the word cruciferous, as in cross. And we're talking about broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cabbage. We've got some here. The yellow flowers are broccolini. You can eat the flowers, you can eat the green buds near them. It's all delicious. We also have some broccoli near that and some cauliflower. What happened was, around the 1970s, a Dr. Lee Wattenberg of the University of Minnesota did some research, and he found that something in cruciferous vegetables, specifically broccoli he found at the time, seems to prevent cancer. We now find sulforaphanes, indole-3 carbanols, all these very powerful minor dietary components that seem to have a powerful therapeutic effect. You're probably not going to see this kind of stuff in the nightly news, but it's very easy to lower your risk for cancer dramatically by increasing your intake of fruits and vegetables, and specifically the cruciferous family. And you and I are getting healthier together.